I am Abdullah from Expert Gamers, and I've been working on Fiverr for almost 3 years, and I have reached the top rated seller requirements. And in this video, I'm here to guide you how you can create your very first gig on Fiverr, and I will cover 3 points in this video. First of all, I will guide you how you can get the keywords to rank your gig, and then using these keywords we will create your gig title and description that will rank your gig in the crowded marketplace. And if you are a beginner, I will give you a website where you can get free courses where you can learn skill and sell your skills. So let's take the very first step where you create your first gig, and that will land your first order on Fiverr.
So the first step for creating your gig, you need to first of all get the right keywords for your gig. So I'm using the extension Fiverr here. You can install from the Chrome extension manager. I will show you how. When you go to the Chrome extension, you will find that page, and here you can search Fiverr and you will get that extension. So you can install that extension for free, and then we will go to the Fiverr and we will start searching for the service. And I will take in the whole video I will take my own service, like I am a game developer, so that's my gig, and I will show you how I will search the keyword. So first of all I will search like game, so it shows me the game development, that is the top keyword. So I will select on game development, and then this extension is already working on the background. So I will give it a little time to get all the keywords from that page. So it will take a little time to get all the keywords, the top rank keywords. So you can see it start getting the keywords from this page, and also it will analyze the top gigs on the Fiverr and get their keywords and all the data. After analyzing, it got us all the keywords that are important for this service. So I am using the game development, so it got me all the keywords that are important for this service. So it also analyzed the top rank gigs that land on the first page, and you can see it got us all the keywords used in that ranked gigs. So we will use and analyze these keywords and these gigs data to create our first gig. So if I open that gig in a tab, so the major part here is the gig title and the gig description. So these are the two major parts that will help your gig to land on the first page. So we will create the gig title and a gig description in a way that will help our gig to land on the very first page. So we will use and we will use AI for creating this gig title and description. So and we will go to the chat GPT, and we will ask it to create our first gig title and description. We can prompt it like this: create a gig description for Fiverr for service of game development, like this. But this is not a very wise way to create to give it a prompt like this. So what I have used, I have created a prompt here. I will give you that file in the description. I will give you the link to that file in the description. You can use that prompt and insert your data to create your gig title and description. So I will fill that form with my details, like I am a game developer. You can write whatever service you are providing. So here I will add I am a game developer, and it's already added all the prompt for the AI, and I have to give it a little brief description on my game development. So I will give it a prompt like this, like I am a game developer developer, and I can make any 2D or 3D game using Unity engine. So that's how we will give it a prompt, and we need to add the keywords. So we will get these keywords from where we have got the keywords. So I will not add all the keywords. For example, so gfx, so these are some keywords that are no use for my service. So I will use these some keywords by selecting the keywords like this: mobile game, unity. So these are the some important keywords I am selecting, and I will use these keywords. Copy selected. So I will just copy the selected one instead of copying all. So like this, and I will paste it here. So I have only selected the required keywords that are from the top, and also I will copy some keywords from here. Copy tags like this. You can see I will give to the AI for the data of the top gigs. So I will give these data for the top gigs to the AI to analyze these. So I will copy this data for the top 3 gigs, and I will give it to the AI. So I will give the title here like this. So this way I have collected the data from these gigs. I have collected the data from these gigs, and the keywords for the gigs on the top page, and I have given to that prompt here. So I will copy that prompt now. Simply I will copy that prompt now, and I will go to the chat GPT, and I will just paste it. So you can see the AI have created a perfect title for our gig, a perfect description for our gig that will also have the SEO in that, and that will rank our gig on the top page. So but this is not it. Like you cannot just paste that text and create the gig and it will be on top page. So we have to do further steps. I will guide you further with the video how to rank the gig on the first page. So that's it for creating the gig description, and we will now go to the Fiverr and we will create our first gig. So let's get started creating your first gig on Fiverr. So first of all, you need to click on create new gig, and here you will add the gig title. So as we have get the gig title from here, from the I will already be written. So we will just copy that part and paste it from here. The I will part will already be written. So, and we can also change it a bit, depending on our own case. So for example, I can add some more words like this. So I can add like 2D high quality, or some more words like I want. So I will go it with the one that is created with the AI, and then I will select the category. I will select you need to select the category for your own profession. So I will select here the programming and tech, and then I will select the category as game development. So it will select the full game creation. So these are the options that depend on your profession. For the tags, the main tag we have got from here was the was the game development that is used in all the gigs. So I will use this, the game development. I will copy from here the game development, and then the second tag I will use game. I will use Unity instead, Unity, and then I will choose the mobile game, and we can add 5 tags. So I will we need to choose that wisely. So I will add Unity 3D game, or I will choose some I will choose from the suggestion as well. That is a better I think. So, and I will add the online games, video games, like this. So these are the tags I will choose. So we can add five tags. So after saving, we go to the pricing of our gig. So we can so that is actually totally depend on your own. I will just use some pricing from the. You can also analyze the gigs that are on top.
Thank
And what are the pricing they are offer, and for that pricing what are the services they are offering. So I will just use some data that are already created with the package name as the basic. For the pricing part, you can see I have filled this. So if you are a beginner, you can analyze the gigs that are already on Fiverr, and what pricing and what are the features they are providing in what price. So that's totally depend on your profession and what are the pricing. So you know that better. So I'm making that for my own, like for the game development. So here is I have filled according to my own and the market prices, and I have to choose what you need to choose what offer you can provide in the time, and for what price, and you need to fill all these according to your own profession, and then you can just simply press save and continue. So after saving that, here's come the description and FAQ. So in the description part, we can just copy the description we have created using the AI, and we will paste it in a manner way. So first of all, we'll just copy the first part here like this, and I will paste it here like this, and you can also make your text bold, and also you can use the color like this. So that will use the color to your gig description. So in the description, I have copied that description that is generated from the AI, and I have also make sure that it is an align well, and I have also used the bold using this, and to make the text some bold, and we can also use this color to color our text. So this way I have created that gig description, and you can change it according to your own choice. So that's it for the gig description, and we can add FAQ that is actually based on your own service type. Like for example, in our service, if I will add that is the most frequent asked question from the buyer. So I will add a question: what game development engine we use? Development engine you use for for making games. So I will answer I use Unity game engine. So these are the question that are that is according to your own profession. So I will add it like this. So these are the question you can that you can you add for your buyers to check, and we will go with save and continue. So the next part is getting the client requirement, like how the client will give you the most of the time I use only 2 points. First of all, I will give it a free text like this. You have any requirement, you have any requirements for the game, just write it here here freely. So I will give it a free text here, and the user can write any requirements here freely. And the second thing I will do is like, if you have any requirements document or file, attach it, please attach here. So I will give the client to I will give the client to add an option to attach a file here, and I will select this as attachment. So the user can attach any file for the requirement here. I will add this as requirement. So these two are most common requirement getting features I use. You can add you can also use some others, and I will for the gallery part, you can choose an image for your gig or a video. This is the my already created gig. So you can see I have used that image and that video. So you can also create a short intro video for yourself
As a game
and
developer,
explaining
I
about
can make
yourself.
any 2D or 3D games.
So I will just use an image like this, uh, and I'll just use an image, and I will not use a video. You can also upload a short video for your introduction and explaining about the service, and I will just save and continue. So that is our gig ready to publish. So we will just simply click on publish gig. So that's our gig is published now. So I will show you a preview of our gig that is created. Gig is live. So that's our gig preview. We have created a gig using using the title created with AI, and a description that is also generated from the AI. And these are the prices and the features we have offered in that price. So that's totally depend on you how you set the pricing and how you set the features. And that's it for the gig creation. And how and this will help your gig to rank on the first page, as we have used the SEO and using the keywords. But in order to make your gig on landing on the first page, you need to keep your account online. So for that reason, for that I'm using I'm using this page refresh extension. You can also download that same way from the extension, that auto page manager, and you can set a timer and start. So this way it will be automatically be refreshing with every 30 second, 300 second, that is 5 minutes of time. So this way it will help your gig boost by staying online. So you need to keep your gig online for a long time in order to get your first order. And the second way is to manually get an order from your peers. For example, I asked my friend to give me a $5 order on Fiverr just to get a review and get my gig ranked. So these are some small steps you need to take by keeping yourself online. And if you are not getting a response, you need to get a manual order from your friend or from someone, so to help your gig rank on the first page. So that's it for the gig creation. And I also give you a website. This is the website, the freecoursesite.com, where you can get free courses for every profession. Like for the game development, if I search the course for Unity, and you can see it bring me the free courses for the Unity. So you can learn from these courses by downloading these courses. These are the complete courses where you will be guided from start with the tutorials from how to create a project with the complete development. So this way you can learn a skill if you are a beginner. So that's it for the tutorial. I hope you like my work, and if you like it and this video will help you to create your gig, do like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.